Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 6, Lesson 8. And in this lesson we're talking about being able to count to 120 using only tens and ones and write numbers to 120 on a place value chart. So looking at this first one right here, we have 11 tens and 6 ones. So let's write that in our place value chart. We know that we have 11 tens. Let's write 11 in the tens place on the chart. Then we know we have 6 ones. Let's write that in the place value chart. Okay, so now let's look at this. 11 tens, 6 ones. Now we know, because we've talked about it, we know that if we would have had the hundreds place right here, this would have been the hundreds, and just put an H for 100. Then we know that this one of these tens would have went over here. And that would make it easier for us to see. But we can't see it too well because we want it to just look at it as tens and ones, not as hundreds too. So, we have to look at it with 11 tens and 6 ones. Well, let's take it out of the place value chart to help us a little bit better. So, my 11 tens and my 6 ones right by it. Oh, this number is 116. 116 has 11 tens and the 6 ones. So, 116 is also could be called 11 tens, 6 ones. Now, let's look at this one. 5 tens, 8 ones. Let's write it in the place value chart. I'm going to write my 5 tens in the place value chart. Then my 8 ones, in the place value chart. Now this one's a little bit easier than the other one because we don't have anything over 9 in any of in the tens place or in the ones place. So we can take it out and we can look at this one as well. 5 tens, 8 ones is 58. Because we know that the 5 tens is in the tens place, just right here. And then the 8 ones is right here. So we know that 5 tens, 8 ones is 58. Alright guys, that's this video.